have another unboxing video. I have this B.f.f. Crybabies official project. And you can spin these around to see different outfits. I really like this one. Now let's open it. And there's 6 to collect. I really wanted this one. The one's my favorite. But I got that one. But I'm okay with it. Let's open it. Okay, I got all the accessories out. Let's see. She has a necklace. Some shoes with wings. Pink socks. And a purse. Let's look at this. Oh, and the cool background. Oh, we have her. Let's see. There it is. Okay, we got her. I already have her. We have all these to collect. Okay, well, stuck with tape. Oh, and this cute little headband. Now let's open it. Oh, she's in here, but her hair is already messy in here. This is how she comes. Okay, she's really smaller than I thought. But this is her compared to my hand. Up to her neck. And look at her big eyes. I got Jenna, and this is her hair, just wild. It's as long as her legs. Well, to her feet, it's long to her feet. And she does have bendable legs. And she's gonna spin till she has her accessories on. Looks like she has them on. Well, please like and subscribe.